Hi everyone, on today's episode we're playing with denim. So today's video wasn't meant to be about denim. I actually had another project that I'm working on, but it's taking a little longer than I expected. Now today is Thursday and I like to get my videos up for Saturday morning, so I'm in a bit of a rush. So I went around the house and I found an old pair of jeans, and I reckon I could make something cool with these. Now after finding the jeans, I come into my workshop to see what I could make, and I found this, a shaving brush knot. So I think if I cut myself some circles out of the denim, cast them in epoxy resin, I reckon I could make myself a brush. Hopefully that's all I need. And then I've still got some 3/4 jeans. There has to be a better way. I think we got enough. Let's go. Well, that was a bit easier. Let's just hope I got enough. So it's now time to get my denim into some resin. Now the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to take my cup here, which will be my mold. I'm going to put a few pieces in, then I'm going to pour in some resin, then some more denim, then some more resin, then some more denim, then some more resin. And then once it's full, I'm going to put it into the vacuum chamber. That'll pull all the air out that's inside the denim and replace it with resin. Now if it needs more resin, I'll top it back up and repeat the process. think what I might do now is pop it into the vacuum chamber, we'll pull the air out, replace it with resin, then we'll see how it looks. It's almost at the height that I want, but I have a feeling it's going to get a bit lower once we take the air out. That doesn't look too bad. I think a few more pieces and we'll be right. So I'm now going to put this in the pressure pot to cure overnight. Now I'm not going to run pot cam because I think it'll be pretty boring. Well, unfortunately I couldn't save that cup, but this blank looks really cool. So the next thing I need to do is glue it on a waste block so I can start turning it on the lathe. I think it's time to give it a sand and a polish. Well, it's now time for the final step, gluing in the knot. But before I do that, I want you guys to help me out. I've got a bit of leftover here on the waste block. What do you think I should make with it? Let me know. Well, for 3 hours work, I think this turned out pretty cool. But as you can see, I really have no use for it. So I'm going to put this in my Etsy store. If anyone's interested, I'll leave a link in the description. Now let's check it out.